Hey guys! Today I'm gonna make simple, flavorful vanilla cookies. This cookie is the best recipe to entertain your kids. Not only the flavor is kid approved, but they can be part of the baking, and let me show you how. I'm gonna add the butter and the vegetable shortening to a bowl, and it's better if it's room temperature. I mix with a whisk and I add a little less than a cup of sugar. I'm gonna add the eggs one at a time and the other egg, and then I'm gonna add my flour. But first I'm gonna remove 1 cup of flour, and there's no need for sifting. And I'm gonna add it to a bowl, add to it 2 teaspoons of anise and a little bit of baking powder and a little bit of vanilla powder. Mix them and then add them to the butter mixture. And I'm gonna continue with the rest of the flour, 1 cup at a time. I'm gonna add the next cup and the third cup. The anise seeds in the dough add so much flavor, but if the kids don't like it, you can choose not to add it. This dough is very easy because it doesn't require refrigeration, and you can make it and bake it right away. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The dough should be very flexible and very easy to work with, and it doesn't break easily. Now the fun part begins. The kids can come and help by making shapes and letters. They can write their names or combine letters, make cute words, wherever their imagination leads them. After you and your kids shape the cookies, we need to brush them with a little bit of an egg wash. And the egg wash is basically an egg with 1 tablespoon of water mixed very well. We brush the top of the cookie and then sprinkle with a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna do some green sugar for spring. Here I'm adding a little bit of vanilla flavored sugar. It gives a very nice taste and crunch. And for an adult version, I'm gonna do some pine nuts on my cookies. Do the egg wash and then some pine nuts. Bake your cookies at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Everybody's oven is different. The cookies should have a little color at the bottom. This is an amazingly easy and flavorful cookie that everybody will enjoy. I hope you'll give it a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!